3, 2, 1.
Guys, welcome to Mining Coin Apps and Airdrop. My name is Desmond. If this is your first time you're coming across my YouTube channel or coming across my video on YouTube, please do subscribe to my channel so you can be getting new informations about mining apps and airdrop. Okay, today I'll be teaching you how to earn metadata using the app and web version. MetaData has been existing since 2022, and most people are still not aware of it, but it has a capacity to do fine in the future. And so without taking much time, I'll be going to their website so we can begin the procedure, which I'll be dropping the link below this video, so those that want to get to register and read about metadata can do that. Okay, this is the official website. You open the website, what you see here on the interface is metadata English and about metadata. Then if we scroll further, we have some informations. Now when you usually open this web version, the language it is not English, so you can either change the language from your browser. You come to this place, click here, you change it to English, you choose English here, or if you don't do that, you come to your menu, your browser menu, and click on that three dots. When you click on it, you come to translate. Now you translate, click on translate, then you select English. Now for those that can understand English and don't understand Chinese language, okay, let's continue. Now about metadata let's get to know about metadata. Metadata is the world currency for the future. Get your metadata at zero cost. It will be a great asset to you in the future. Your future self will appreciate the choice you make now. I usually tell people that mining crypto and participating in airdrops is one of the few ways which you can secure your future. Now it's unfortunate that most people still don't take this crypto and airdrop serious, but if you mine today, yes, tendency you are securing your future financially. Now let's read further, and we have our metadata social consensus based on zero cost and natural incentives. You can read that, and the next information here, it says it is not easy metadata. You can go through those information. Now for those watching this video and you want to start earning your own metadata and you want to register, that is why I'm doing this video, so I can guide you through. So the first thing you do, you come to me on the menu down, you click on me. When you click on me, it will load, it will display some information, so just leave it in a few seconds. Now for those that have account, you click on login, you enter your password and you log in. If you forget your password, you click on forget password. Now for those who have not registered yet, what you do, you come to register here, or you click on register now. Now let's go to register and see the procedure. Now what you do next, you enter your username here, you enter your password, you enter security, set your security issues. It's a question such as the first box. You can set your security question. Now you set the answer here, then a verification code, you enter it here. Now after doing that, you click on register. Now when you click on register, you open the account. Now I'm going to log in to my account because I already have account with them, so I'll click on login. Okay, I just log into my account on the web version. Now I'll take my time to explain this. Now when you click on invite, when we open it, we have a invitation code. Here you copy your invitation code and send to those you want to invite. Now here also you have the invitation record. When you invite people, it shows the number of persons you've invited. So if I take it back, next thing we have here is download app. If I click on download app, I can either download the Android version for APK, or I can download the iOS version for Apple iPhones. And if I take it back, here we have personal data. Now if for example you've chosen a name and you want to change the name, you click on reset, then put another name and click on determine. So that is how you can change your username. Now if I take it back, here we have the white paper. If I click on their white paper, I can download their white paper to go through. Now the next information we have is about us. If I click on about us, it takes me back to the home page where we read about them. Just for the purpose of this video, you can see it's the same information. Now if I click on this link here, it directs me to the Telegram channel. Then if I click on this link here, it directs me to the cable channel. Now here I can follow the official Twitter page. So let me click on the Telegram channel and see. Now it has brought me to their Telegram page. If I go back to the web version and now click on the Twitter, now it will bring me to their Twitter page. I'm already following them on Twitter, as you can see here. It is always good to follow any of this app we are mining, so you can get updates, current updates, so you don't get false information. Now let's go back to the app. Now the next information we have on the menu down here, we have our wallet. Now when I click on wallet, the information we have here, it shows my current metadata token which I've mined is 840 metadata. Then the next information we have here, it says actual number of metadata currently unable to calculate. Now we don't know the worth of metadata because I've seen some videos online which different persons are predicting price that has not been announced by metadata, which is very wrong, and you should not go with false information. The only thing I will tell you, just keep mining the token as much as you could mine, so that when it is launched you have a reasonable profit from it. Now the next information here we have is activity. If I click on activity, now click on activity, it brings me to a list of activity. If I click on log data mining, it's not going through. Also double data mining is not going through. Now the next information here we have on the menu below is mining. When I click on mining, it brings me to where I have my mining informations. Now I have to be clicking here every 24 hours. In the next 23 hours, 23 minutes and 50 seconds, I have to click this place again. I have to click here, so I have to be doing that every day, so I can see the same thing as copy, and when you want to refer, you send them here. Now the good thing is that the more people you refer, the more your mining speed increase as well. Now if I come to home page, which we have here, it brings me back to the about us page, which we first of all get to read, and here we have about metadata information. Now let's go to the app version. For those who don't have the app version, I will come to my mining apps and I'll click on the app version. I have it on app, so I'll click on the metadata. It will take seconds to load. Now when it's open, for those that probably download the app version before knowing that you can use the web version, you just come to register. Now if you forget your password, you come to forget password, but for those that have an account, you just come to login. So I will have to enter my information. Now after I have entered my username, which I put here, now I've entered my password, the next thing I'll do, I'll click on login. So let me do that now so we can get to see it. Logged in successful. Now when you open the app version of this is the interface. This is what you get to see. Here we have my mining token balance. Here we have metadata game. Here we have Dr. P has something to say. Here we have here replace minor increase mining efficiency. Here we have watch ad, and now here we have my profile. Here we have team square home, the home which is the current interface which we are now. Now if we scroll further, we have game center, participate in MD games. Now we have hot news here. Okay, let me take time to explain each of this information. If I click on I still have the same information here which we have on the web version, but just that here it looks more organized. And common functions, here we have the common functions. We have the language, which you can change your language, you can change it here. We have language, about us, exit account. Now the exit account is not to delete your account, is to log out from this app version. Here we have the Twitter and the Telegram, which I've already explained on the web version. Now if you come to team, those you have invited will come, their information will be here, so you know those that you've invited, so you can as well follow up on them, so you can know that they are mining. And now here we have Square. Now it says the information here on Square, it says tips, no, not opened yet. When the total amount of MD mining exceed 85%, Square expansion function will be automatically open. I'll click on sure. Now if you look further, here we have some informations which are not accessible now. Now the next thing we have home. Now when we come to our home page, here we have replace minor. If I click on it, I can see information here. Current mining level, this is my current mining level which I'm using, 20 MD. Now if I keep inviting persons, I'll increase to 200 MD. Now that is how you can keep increasing your MD. So the more people you invite, the more mining speed you obtain. Now the next thing we have here is watch ad. Now if you like watching ad to earn more coin, you can do that, more token. So if you click on ad here, you can watch ad. Let me click on it, not yet opened. Now it's not yet available. Then the next information we have is game centered. If I click on game centered, and here it's not yet open. Now the hot news, here we have hot news. If I go to the hot news, the information here hot news is the automatic identification system identifies many fake users in the background, and these users obtain invitation reward by registering fake subordinates. The system has marked this account and currency volume of the fake accounts and currency volume of the superior account will not get KYC and mapping in the end. which is futile. So my advice to you is that you should not open multiple accounts, and you should not even open 2 accounts in one device. If at all you want to open accounts, it should be for someone else with a different device, not same device. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. My name remains Desmond. I am your friend. If this video is helpful to you, do share with your friends, and do also subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can be getting updates on your mining coin and apps. Thank you. Do have a wonderful day, and bye for now.